The probability of winning the jackpot is 14 million to 1. However, according to a social and economic study by a Norwegian business school, the average person misses out on about 100 opportunities for career, financial, and personal growth each year. Popular motivational speaker Brian Tracy claims that this is evidence that people can attract money into their lives, but few know how to hold on to it. Tracy gave several recommendations on how not to miss out on opportunities and earn $1 million or more by the end of the year. He suggests that a person's mindset is the foundation for their financial success. It's not about the job position, effort, or books read, but rather a person's goals and ambitions that shape their thinking. Tracy advises that one must first reconsider their perspective on life and recognize that money is just paper. Rather than focusing on money, one should focus on the freedom and possibilities that it provides. It's not about the amount of money in one's wallet, but how it can be used to invest in education, travel, real estate, and anything else that brings joy. Focusing on happiness and freedom will be better to motivate you to achieve more challenging goals in your work and life, and thus allow you to overcome all obstacles on the way to greater wealth. Many people underestimate their internal state when planning for financial success, although it is a very important aspect, because your desire to move forward, like a battery, will fade with each passing day. Then you need to accurately calculate your path to the goal and choose the right motivation. I recommend Tracy's focus of attention. Many people spend too much time thinking about financial problems. Such behavior forms a wrong attitude towards the budget, which is called poor thinking, a state in which a person gets stuck in thoughts about the goods that they do not have and thinks that they will never become richer. Stress, depression, and constant anxiety that arise from focusing on lack cannot lead to wealth, says Brian. The first step that will help to get out of this vicious cycle is changing the focus of attention. This is a method that will help to attract banknotes of different denominations. It may sound unrealistic, but it works effectively in practice. You need to start making an effort and translate your thoughts from a state of lack to abundance. Instead of saying I have no money, it is better to analyze the situation. Why did you end up in it? Were you ineffective and did not earn much, or do you not know how to use what you have? Tracy says that in a state of abundance, a person begins to come up with ideas of how to get out of poverty. They realize that income can come not only through wages. This kind of thinking helps to believe in oneself. It is important to note the blessings that already exist in your life, for example, to appreciate that you have a roof over your head, the ability to buy food, make plans, and a stable job. In this world, there are many opportunities through which you can come to your own point of success. Abundance thinking is a vision of the big picture that tunes you into opportunities and possibilities, says Brian Tracy. One of the fastest ways to become rich is to focus on what people pay the least attention to, which is ultimately the cause of their financial problems. From my own experience, I can say that it is often financial literacy. Tracy says that increasing your basic financial knowledge is a way to quickly attract wealth. If you don't study unnecessary ways to earn, save, and grow your capital, you'll hardly be able to move the situation from a dead end. Understanding which tools make money work will help you increase your income. There are different courses on creating a functional budget and a reliable savings plan. Knowledge in these areas is the basis of financial literacy and an effective way to attract money into your life. The most difficult thing is the financial energy. In esotericism, this is the energy that envelops all space and can actually be attracted. One of the available ways to lure it to yourself is to speak positively about money. Phrases like I can't afford it or I'll always be in debt push away this living and invisible substance. Such statements will not help you achieve financial freedom. Instead, you need to say, I deserve the money I want and they will soon be mine, or I have no problems with money. These attitudes are also called productive conversations with money. They help to develop positive thinking, which has many benefits. The main one is the release of happy hormones. Your body will turn on the chase for money, making you more efficient and energetic. This will allow you to increase your income several times. Tracy also claims that positive communication can be in the form of gratitude. For example, you can say that money helps you buy your favorite food, pay for your apartment, indulge yourself with quality things, and cool trips. In addition, it's necessary to get rid of the idea that money is something dirty and that it's impossible to earn a lot of money through honest means. Another way to work on this block is to learn to ask yourself questions, such as how to monetize your skills. It's important to realize that you are a magnet for money from head to toe, and to have a clear direction. When your thoughts are in the right state, it becomes easier and more enjoyable to act actively towards your dreams and goals. It seems like everything around you is helping you to rise higher, including earning more money. This is the bonus of working on your own thoughts. Brain mobility caused by changes is reflected in your actions and life in general. A number of money attraction methods are focused on visualization. To do this, you need to determine the amount of money you want to attract and understand the stable income you already have, including money from side jobs. This understanding helps your brain to draw a clear direction of movement and makes it easier to understand how much you need to earn to achieve your goals. One reason why some millionaires start small and end up earning and multiplying their wealth is that they asked themselves questions about the destination they were striving for along the way. If you adapt this to your life, the destination could be a new job with a higher salary. To get this job, you need to find out the requirements for the position and work to bring yourself up to that level. Attracting more money means adopting the traits of those who have a wealth mentality, says Tracy, which is the right choice. If your desire for wealth hasn't brought results for many years, it's a sign that you should stop and rethink your plan of action. Today, you can make a choice to either remain a hostage to physical labor for pennies or to focus your efforts on developing the right mindset and mental well-being. The latter won't require much effort or time from you, but it will definitely help you understand where you're headed and how soon you'll get there. Remember that wealth is a fleeting thing and you don't need to have $1 million in your bank account to feel free and successful. This message comes from the Become a Millionaire channel. You'll become richer,